What gave you the courage to do that, and now are you in a better space mentally, physically,
Yeah,
spiritually?
I'm perfect. You need courage to do everything in life. I belong to a very small place called Karampura, New Delhi City, West Delhi, and I'm standing in iPhone. It's been so many years. I'm doing this thing. What is bringing me back again and again is just courage. So, and if you talk about alcohol, you don't need courage. You have to extreme it, then you leave it.
Your life story is being brought on screen. Your
What?
life story is being brought on screen by Netflix. What is it that you would want people to take away from your journey? The learning lesson that you would want them to take away.
I think you should watch the documentary. It's coming this year on Netflix. It's a world release, not just India Netflix. They're gonna release in 200 countries. So the editing is going on. I don't know when they're gonna announce the date. So it's everybody you know me through my music videos, my lyrics, my performances, my wild things I ever done, my controversies. But who's real me? Like the people who know me personally, like who I am. You wanna see that in my documentary.
Being a musician, the advent of AI these days in music is something that we're seeing continuously. As an artist, what do you want to say about that?
It's amazing, bro. Trust me. There's one little lad from Delhi. His name is Anshuman Sharma. And he did the first AI, what I heard, of Rafi Sahab and that Jodha Akbar song by Rahman sir. That composition of Rahman sir and Rafi Sahab, he made it a remake of it. And when I heard it for the first time, I was like, what is this? This is amazing. So everything, either is tech, either is computer science, either is medical science, either is alcohol, either is party, either is study, excess of everything is bad.
You as a music artist, if there is one trend in the industry that bothers you, what would that be? Anything
Nothing,
about the industry that bothers you?
nothing bothers me, bro.
And
In life, in
Honey,
life.
Indian music scene has changed a lot in the recent years. Diljit Dosanjh is one who's made a name globally. He's representing the Indian music industry. What would you like to say and how do you look at the Indian music scene globally?
What Diljit did is like tremendous, and especially being as a guy from a Sikh family, we feel so proud that he made it to an international level. And as far as I know Diljit, I know him since 2009. We worked together on an album called Next Level. I composed that whole album. I lived with him for 1 year. So as far as his talent and courage and caliber concerned reflects, he can do anything bigger than this.
From then to know what has changed about Diljit.
Huh?
From then to know what has changed about Diljit.
He's same. He's similar.
Is that what brings him success?
I think so, because he was he was just like this. He was same. In old times, he was so hardworking, so honest, so introvert. He never used to laugh too much, never used to talk too much. And I used to nag him a lot.
Hari Singh version 1 and Hari Singh version 2. What is difference in that?
I have 158 versions. Better than your iPhone, baby. You would just stick on 16 versions.
Camera please. Wi-Fi, yes. 1, 2. Thank you so much.
This is an idea. Thank you so much. Right here.
What is on your wrist?
Excuse me.
Right here.
You like watches, I know that, right?
Yeah.
You're a big watch
I
lover.
like what you're wearing.
Thank you so much. This one.
Yes, take the watch.
Here's the watch.
Watch. Thank you so much. Wearing a Rolex. It's called mint green Rolex.
ग्रीन कार्पेट में मौता डाल रहे हैं
How मोता डालना पड़ता क्या करना how?
So Vijay, according to you, if there is one actor today who represents perfectly the idea of being a star, who is that and why?
That gentleman is on stage right now, Shah Rukh Khan.
But why is it?
Why so? It's just I've had people fight over each other in families, in friends, close friend circles, girlfriends and boyfriends, and marriages are broken because one of them doesn't like Shah Rukh Khan or they say something. तो लोग लड़ते हैं उनके लिए एक दूसरे से. I think that is probably the highest form of stardom.
उनकी एक ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटी है जो आप उनसे यूं इम्बाइब करना चाहोगे और आपको बहुत पसंद है?
वो he's a love magnet. I want to get some of that love magnet from him.
I'm pretty sure you got it, Vijay. You are also a love magnet.
Thank you so much.
Definitely. Vijay, but as I want to say this, you and Raman are on a high right now. And you know, both of you guys are doing in terms of the success is amazing, touch wood. What do you guys, you know, when you see each other's work, what is the first thing that you said that are you guys each other's biggest critics?
No, not really. Also because she does such quality stuff. Like her song is such a rage, and it's set an example for a lot of people how to do it right. So there's not much room for criticism, that's it. So
Does she tell you something when she saw Icy Apron Pro?
she's a big. I think she's the strongest supporter of the show even before it came out, and she continued to maintain that stand. Thank you so much. Thank you.
विजय भाई,
Thank you.
द कल्ट जो है हैदराबाद,
हाँ.
उसमें से आप आपको अगर फिर से वो अगर रीमेक होती है तो उसमें से आप कौन सा कैरेक्टर करना पसंद करोगे?
अंग्रेज का रीमेक पहली बात तो होना नहीं, क्योंकि वो जो कर दिए वो बेस्ट है. उसके साथ छिड़खानी नहीं करना. अरे सलीम फेकू का नहीं करना चाहूँगा.
सर उसमें कुछ प्लीज अगर कुछ बोलना चाहें प्लीज.
मैं तो हैदराबाद का क्या है, उधर सब बहुत टाइम है लोगों के पास. आराम से बैठना, जाना, ईरानी होटल में बैठना, ऑर्डर आकर के मंगाना, खाना पीना, एक दूसरे के लंबी फेंकना.
चार मीनार के नीचे बैठ के
हाँ, 4 मीनार के नीचे जहाँ मौका मिला वहीं बैठ जाओ.